Dr. Shark here, Shark Holistic Health. This is our findings series. Amino acid deficiencies. This is really common in people who have stomach acid issues, right? Low stomach acid or dysbiosis, a imbalance of the bacteria of the gut. And this is why. So amino acids come from proteins. When you eat a protein, it goes into your mouth, right, into your stomach, and the acid, the hydrochloric acid in your stomach, breaks apart this protein into smaller bits. If this piece doesn't happen, your body can do nothing with this protein, nothing. Has to break it into smaller bits first, and then it's broken down further into amino acids, individual amino acids. These go down into the gut, and in order for you to use and absorb these amino acids, you have to have good bacteria down in your gut, right? So what do amino acids do? They are the foundational building block of every bit of repair in your body. So that's the first thing. In order to heal, i.e. repair, you have to have sufficient supply of the right amino acids. Animal-based proteins are the most complete array of amino acids. If you only have vegetable-based proteins, there are certain essential amino acids that you will never get in the right ratios, and that's really important to understand. Animal proteins, however, have just the right ratios for human bodies. And so if you eat that, and then you can break that apart, you get the amino acids that you need. The other thing that amino acids do is that they are the backbone of most of your neurotransmitters. So if you look at the molecular structure of neurotransmitters, you'll see that the entire skeleton of the neurotransmitter is an amino acid. And so when you eat the protein, you break it apart in the stomach with the hydrochloric acid, it goes down to the gut, and then you have certain bacteria whose job it is to construct these neurotransmitters. And then they send this back up the vagus nerve to the brain. Okay, so in order for this to happen, you've got to have one, protein going in, preferably animal protein that's balanced going in, two, stomach acid to break it apart, three, good gut bacteria, four, functioning vagus nerve, right? All necessary to get these good neurotransmitters up into the brain. So a lot of people that have this finding of amino acid deficiency are showing their symptoms here in the brain, right? So they're having problems like anxiety, depression, obsessive thinking, insomnia, right? Brain function problems, problems with certain parts of the brain firing well. They can't get their brain going, or they can't turn their brain off, or sadly, some people have a combination of the two. Part of the day they can't get it going, the other part of the day they can't turn it off, right? These are different circuits that fire in the brain that are driven by different neurotransmitters. And so deficiencies in these frequently come from deficiencies in the materials to build these neurotransmitters, which are the amino acids.